Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. So after a while I have come back again with some important updates about DNB counseling, MCC counseling and state counselings. Okay, so watch this video until end to get the update about and information about your relevant state or DNB. So starting with DNB, DNB dates for registration and choice filling is keep on increasing, and you can do the registration and choice filling until tomorrow, that is 22nd of May. We are expecting to increase this date further, since we don't have the first state round counseling for Telangana, UP, for Bihar and Andhra Pradesh is still pending the first round counseling. And after the first round all India and first round all state counseling, they are going to move ahead with DNB counseling. The process for Bihar is in court. The matter is in court, and it has been delayed so much. Similarly, for Andhra Pradesh also, the seat matrix and the merit list has been declared, but the choice filling is still awaited. And coming to Bihar, once again, we don't have much update about Bihar. What we can do, we can wait for few days and expect to get any good news from Bihar, because there are so many candidates who call, they are waiting for Bihar state counseling and they are keep on waiting, and no update. Okay, coming to Telangana. For Telangana, the convener quota, the date is 25th. By 25th you can do the reporting. Okay, and Maharashtra, the result has been declared, okay, some few days back, but the matter is still in the court, and you can expect to see some differences. Okay, in UP, there is a update regarding UP. So those candidates who have taken seat and have deposited the amount and then want to leave the seat, okay, then you can leave the seat, and 23rd is the last date for seat resignation. It applies only for those candidates who have taken the seat and have paid the amount to UPDGME. Okay, so you can resign the seat by 23rd, and in order to know how much amount will be deducted and how much amount will be refunded to you, you can go ahead and see the notification that came on 4th of May. So in that notification you will get to know about those penalty and all things. Okay, and there are many candidates who couldn't qualify NEET PG 2020. They have marks less than 366 who coming from general category. Coming from OBC category, they have less than 319 marks, and similarly for SC and ST category. So those candidates also, they had been waiting for month of May, expecting to get the revision, the cut-off revision, because that's the only hope for them. So you don't need to worry much, because since the entire counseling process got delayed due to COVID-19, so the first round is delayed, and after second round usually this cut-off revision happens. So you can get the cut-off revision in month of June, and the revision can go up to like 5 to 10%. So up to 5 to 10% marks, if you have less than cutoff, then you can get qualified. Okay, I can't tell you the exact percentage. It will depend on many factors and they will decide. One more important news that it's not any kind of official, but we have got indications that seat might increase further in DNB. Already you have heard the news that there are more than 4,000 seats totally. Some seats got increased. In first round there are 3,069 seats. One seat got removed for ophthalmology, that you could have seen in the latest DNB update that got posted on 17th of May. Okay, but in the round 2 they will add more seats, and on top of 4,000 seats they may add more seats in DNB as well as in MSMD. So those candidates who are having high rank, and they think that they can't get any kind of clinical branch in DNB. So you can go ahead and register yourself for DNB, because once this registration process will not happen after 22nd. There is no registration process in the round 2 or round 3, so you can do registration and you can try your luck even if you have high rank, because we are expecting to get seat increase further 4,000. Okay, for DNB and for MSMD also in coming rounds you can expect to get seat increment apart from what you have heard. So more number of seats may come. So we are hopeful that those who are having high rank, they also can get a seat in DNB. And candidate those who have good budget but they couldn't qualify NEET PG, okay, so they need to wait until June, okay, and you can get qualified and then you can try for stay vacancy round. Stay vacancy round, we do also provide counseling support until you get the admission done 100%. So for that you can call us. We can help you out in counseling process for stay vacancy round, because there are many factors that you should keep in mind when you go for stay vacancy round. Okay, for Maharashtra, now coming to CPS and FCPS, like DNV, there are other options, CPS and FCPS. So it gets conducted after All India for round 1, round 2, mop-up round, and everything is over. Okay, then they conduct CPS and FCPS counseling, and colleges are available in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan, in MP also. But for MP state, only government, those doctors who are working in government sector, they only can go for MP seats. So you can think about CPS and FCPS also if you have high rank. So for high rankers, stay vacancy round is one option, CPS, FCPS another option. DNB, you can get registered and then you can try your luck in mop-up round. And in UP, in first round you could have seen that high rankers also got good branch in good colleges within reasonable budget. So you can try your luck in round 2 also. We are expecting some seats will be still remaining to be filled, and Bihar counseling also. Okay. Okay, now coming to MCC resignation. Okay, so you already know that MCC resignation date is until 23rd. It may also get further increased due to first round counseling is not yet completed for few states, and for a few other states the matter is still in the court. So the student couldn't report to the college they got through the counseling. So there are many things that is in progress, and it's somehow stopping or holding up the counseling process. And so much thing is yet to happen in the counseling. Round 2 All India, mop-up round for deemed universities, round 2 state counseling, then mop-up round for state counseling, DNB round 2, round 3, and mop-up round, stay vacancy round. So there are so many rounds are still remaining. So there is so much thing is remaining, and those who got the seat, they, if they are satisfied, they should be satisfied with the seat and keep the seat with you and try your luck for better options in the upcoming counseling. Okay, and for any kind of help you can call us to the number given. You can see the number on the screen, 7047542127, and the second number is 93191286 and 77. So you can call to these numbers. We will able to provide you a genuine counseling guidance. So how you can proceed if you still looking for a seat, or you have got a seat with higher budget and looking for a seat with a reasonable budget, or the budget is under your control. So with this I am going to end this video. with the further updates will come in the upcoming videos. And I will ask you to like the video if you like the information that's shared by us, and subscribe to the channel to get the relevant details in the further videos, and click on the bell button so that you could get notification. So until next video and next update, thanks for watching. Goodbye.